Have you ever stood in front of an audience, your heart pounding, your palms sweating, and your mind going completely blank? Public speaking is one of the most common fears in the world. But what if I told you there's a mental technique that can completely transform how you feel on stage, before you even step foot on it? The secret is visualization. Visualization isn't just some abstract self-help idea. It's a science-backed technique used by the world's top athletes, performers, and speakers. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to use visualization to master public speaking, eliminate stage fright, and present with total confidence. Let's get started. Your mind is more powerful than you think. Studies show that the brain doesn't fully differentiate between real experiences and vividly imagined ones. When you repeatedly picture yourself delivering a powerful, confident speech, your brain treats it as if it's already happened. That means when the actual moment comes, you're not stepping into the unknown. You're stepping into a situation your brain has already rehearsed for success. Elite athletes use this technique before competitions. Musicians use it before performances. And the best public speakers mentally rehearse their speeches before they ever step on stage. But how do you actually do it? Let's break it down step by step. Create a clear mental picture. The first step is to visualize yourself on stage as clearly as possible. Close your eyes and imagine the setting. See the room, the stage, the audience. Hear the sounds, maybe murmurs of conversation before you begin. Feel the lights on your face, the warmth of the microphone in your hand. Now, imagine yourself speaking. See yourself standing tall, looking confident. Picture yourself delivering your speech smoothly, with energy and passion. Imagine the audience nodding, smiling, and fully engaged with your words. The key here is to make it as vivid as possible. Engage all your senses. The clearer your mental picture, the more powerful the effect on your brain. Feel the confidence in your body. Visualization isn't just about seeing, it's about feeling. As you picture yourself speaking, tap into the feeling of confidence. Imagine the sense of control, the ease in your voice, the excitement of sharing your message. If nerves start creeping in, don't fight them. Instead, reshape them. See yourself turning that nervous energy into powerful enthusiasm. Feel the shift. Your shoulders relax, your breathing slows, and your voice becomes strong and steady. Your brain will remember this state, and when the real moment comes, it will be easier to step into that version of yourself. Visualize the audience's reaction. Many speakers make the mistake of focusing only on themselves in their visualizations. But here's a powerful trick. Also visualize the audience reacting positively. Imagine people leaning in, engaged in your message. See them nodding, smiling, and responding to your words. Picture a strong finish, maybe even applause at the end. When you mentally create a successful outcome, your brain expects success, and that expectation shapes your real performance. Repeat this visualization daily. Like any skill, visualization gets stronger with repetition. Make this a daily practice leading up to your speech. Even just 5 minutes a day of mental rehearsal can dramatically reduce anxiety and improve your actual performance. Before you go to sleep or first thing in the morning, close your eyes and run through the scene. Each time, make it feel real. The more you do it, the more natural and automatic it becomes. By the time you walk onto the stage, it won't feel like your first time speaking. It'll feel like something you've already mastered in your mind. Next, pair visualization with physical practice. Now here's the secret to taking this to the next level. Combine visualization with real-world practice. Stand up and rehearse out loud while picturing your ideal performance. Practice in front of a mirror, imagining an audience in front of you. Record yourself and play it back, reinforcing the mental image with physical movement. When your brain and body work together, confidence becomes second nature. Now, just as a little bonus that I thought of, let's do a short guided visualization right now. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and exhale. Now picture yourself standing backstage. You hear the quiet murmur of the audience. Your heart beats steadily, not with fear, but with excitement. You walk onto the stage. The audience is waiting. You take a deep breath, smile, and begin speaking. Your voice is strong. Your words flow effortlessly. The audience is engaged, nodding, hanging on to every word. You finish your speech and the room erupts in applause. You feel a wave of confidence and accomplishment. You did it, and you knew all along that you could. Now, open your eyes. That's your future reality. and it starts with how you train your mind today. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools for transforming your public speaking skills. When you see your success before it happens, you reprogram your brain for confidence and excellence. Start using this technique today, and watch your stage presence transform. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more powerful techniques like this. And if you want to learn how to speak better in front of groups or just on camera, I got a program and a free book from the leading public speaker on the planet for you. It's linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, and always, good luck.